Welcome again to the Goddess Temple Palace. We are so grateful for your energies shared with us as we travel now to West Africa, to some of the Orisha goddesses. Oya Yemeya Oshun. Oya is the keeper of change, the winds of change, the soft air that blows past your cheek on a hot summer's day, and the turbulence of a tornado. Her energy is change, transformation in a moment's notice. Oh yeah. She is known to carry a machete and to be partial to helping the feminine, and she oversees the marketplace. And speaking of overseeing, Yemenya, Yemenya, the Orisha of the deep blue seas. Her color is blue, arrays of shades, and she is deep as the depth of the oceans, beyond comprehension. She is the mother to many species and variations of treasures. The schools of fishes, she is a teacher. The gems that come from the seas, the pearls of wisdom are hers. Call upon her for that maternal love, that empowering feeling of water washing over your body, temple, as you float, relaxed in her arms, as you swim in the sea of life, its ocean's depth. Yemenya, the Orisha Oshun, who is known for her beauty, her playfulness, her riches of youthfulness, romance, sensuality. Her color is yellow, orange, and honey. She is well known for. When you make an offering of honey to her, you taste it first upon your lips to be sure that it is sacred enough for this beautiful Orisha. Thank you for coming. More to come. As we call upon the goddesses, like, subscribe, ring my bell so that you know when I'm coming